What's up, guys? Just eat breakfast. About to go out and get some stuff done. So, forward. Alright, so due to the fact say your boy want trim, looking like my mom would have said me look like Barabbas Pitney. Yeah, so you're not gonna see me much in this vlog. Yeah. So first up, as I'm up a cleaning for do out here, so light fire and cut grass and them something there. Mommy over there burning grass. Nice. So first up, the wiggies. Go wash the wiggy pen. Wiggies. Jello. So I'm gonna wash the pig pen now. Honestly, I get scared with my creativity with placing the camera, because if it drop from my head there now, it's over for me. I get old. Really, I get old. Just then I think, like, but then here's some of the pigs. Just so that I know that you've made it this far in the video, comment down below which animal are you afraid of? Like, which animal, farm animal, you would never go near? In the comments. Alright, so this was pretty easy. Take a lot longer than usual because I decided to wear some, slippers. Bad habits. But yeah, them not nasty, so them always make it easy for me to clean the pen. And that's it. About to move on to the next ones. Bye bye. Hey, I can't cook. Now to the chickens. Hello? Okay. Yeah, we keep chicken, alright. So moving on. Hola. What's up, Doc? Okay. Yeah. Fix the brightness on the, you know. So as it relates to the rabbits, you're my little brothers. So you might do some work, you know. So I'm just asking for check in on them. Cage in construction. Wakey, wakey. Who's to that sleep? What? Big yarn over there? Okay. Need water, clean up, and feeding. So leave the camera over here running. See if we can get a good angle right here. Right here, so something for the most part. So I'm gonna work with it. Alright, so funny enough, I set up the camera. I hit pause to set it up and see if the angle did that. Anyways, so I set up the camera and gone the one bag or something come back. So I'm gonna check if it's still a record. Check if it's still a record. So 1 minute, 24 seconds. I'm like, what? Apparently I did not unpause the video. So I just missed the footage. But whatever. Feed the rabbits them now. And give them some water. So I'm pretty much. So it's back feeding for them today. I get back feeding. Still I get some grass, but I'm gonna look grass later and get some other stuff done. us, you know, that I'm in love with you, yeah. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. All my ex and my exodus, but no, I'm gonna let you go. Now my feelings, baby, it's obvious, you know. Right. So the rabbits are done. The pigs are done. No chickens. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to drop a comment. Which animal you're afraid of. Um, like the video. Share. All of the good stuff is it. You know. Remember to tell your friends to subscribe. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead, hit the red button and click the bell to get notified whenever I post. See you in the next one.